Hello, welcome to Discovery Channel. In today's video, we will discuss Guardians of the Deep, a tale of hope and peril. In this video also, we will dive into the depths of the ocean to explore the breathtaking beauty and alarming plight of the world's underwater ecosystems. Join us on a journey to discover the rich biodiversity of coral reefs, marine life, and exotic creatures that inhabit these fragile environments. Learn about the threats facing our oceans, from climate change and pollution to overfishing and habitat destruction, and explore innovative conservation efforts aimed at protecting these invaluable treasures. Together, let's raise awareness and take action to save the aquarium of the world before it's too late. Subscribe to Discovery Channel for more videos like this. Are you watching this wonderful? Excellent. Now, let's get started. In the heart of the ocean lies a world of wonder, a realm of unparalleled beauty known as the unravel. Here, beneath the shimmering surface, vibrant coral reefs dance with life, and exotic creatures roam amidst the azure depths. As the sun rises over the horizon, casting its golden rays upon the tranquil waters, we are beckoned into this enchanting realm. With each dive, we discover a kaleidoscope of colors, as schools of fish dart through intricate coral formations, their iridescent scales glistening in the sunlight. But amidst this breathtaking beauty lies a shadow of danger. Pollution drifts through the currents, choking delicate corals and threatening the lives of countless marine species. Plastic debris litters the ocean floor, entangling unsuspecting sea creatures in its deadly embrace. Yet, amid the looming threats, there are whispers of hope. Dedicated scientists and conservationists are working tirelessly to protect the aquarium of the world. From coral nurseries to marine protected areas, innovative initiatives are underway to safeguard these precious ecosystems for generations to come. In the depths of the ocean, we encounter the guardians of this underwater world. Majestic sea turtles glide gracefully through the water, their ancient wisdom a testament to the resilience of life in the face of adversity. Pods of dolphins frolic in the waves, their playful antics a reminder of the joy that awaits us if we choose to preserve this fragile paradise. With each passing day, the call to action grows louder. Communities unite, rallying behind the cause of ocean conservation. From beach cleanups to advocacy campaigns, individuals around the world are joining forces to protect the aquarium of the world and all who call it home. As the story unfolds, we are reminded of the power of collective action and the boundless potential of the human spirit. Together we hold the key to unlocking a future where the aquarium of the world thrives, a beacon of hope in a sea of uncertainty. Subscribe and click on the notification bell icon for more videos. Like and share this video. Addressing the endangered underwater world requires a multifaceted approach involving various stakeholders, from individuals to governments and international organizations. Here are some recommendations. Raise awareness. Utilize social media, educational campaigns, and documentaries to raise awareness about the importance of protecting the underwater world. Highlight the beauty of marine ecosystems and the urgent need for conservation efforts. Reduce plastic pollution. Implement measures to reduce plastic waste, such as promoting reusable products, implementing plastic bans, and improving waste management infrastructure to prevent plastic from entering the oceans. Support sustainable fisheries. Encourage sustainable fishing practices to prevent overfishing and depletion of marine resources. This includes implementing quotas, promoting selective fishing gear, and supporting small-scale fishers. Protect marine protected areas, MPAs. Establish and expand marine protected areas to conserve biodiversity, restore ecosystems, and provide safe havens for endangered species. Enforce regulations to prevent illegal fishing and habitat destruction within MPAs. Combat climate change. Address the root causes of climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and transitioning to renewable energy sources. protect and restore coastal habitats like mangroves and seagrasses that act as carbon sinks and buffer against